Naomi Hamaroling, i-search din mo na ako ang yung profile ko sa YouTube. Merong nakalagay dyan mga watch up, and then my Facebook. It's Naomi Hamaroling, Naomi. Yung pinakamagandang profile sa Facebook. Joke. Joke lang. Joke lang yun. Hi, Jackie Buzz. Please give some mood for me. Ba't mo ko crush? Anong nagustuhan mo sa akin? Yung bilbil? Your body is so beautiful. Hindi maganda. I'm not beautiful body. I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. Why? Some said ponytail, and some said in down here, which is good. This one, let's say, or hold down here. Hold down here. 12% naman po din. Connecting. Hello. Hello. Please join my membership. Can you play in your hair? Sure. Please. Like a hula hula. Hula hula. Cross kita, hindi sa ganda mo, kung hindi sa bait mo. Hindi ko pala ako kilala. Bait na. Cute ng lips. Yung lips ko is makapal yung lips ko. Hindi cute. Out. Turn around. Turn around. Never now. May request naman turn around. That's it. I'm too sleepy, so bye. Turn back. Where's that? Where's it? Can we see? Oh no, it's not here. Let's see. You like you can have